Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
The time is now 6:40 on your Wednesday morning. Today and tomorrow, we're enjoying the cool mornings, and both days we're seeing sunrise temperatures near 50 degrees. But even after that, the temperatures don't look too awful as we head toward the weekend. As far as our weather across Oklahoma today, the somewhat cool area of high pressure is nearby. This is keeping our weather quiet. A lot of sunshine across Oklahoma, more clouds to our south and Texas, then also gradually seeing areas of rain as you work your way toward central Texas and also in the southeast along what's left of the cool front. Bottom line for us, we'll enjoy sunshine and fairly pleasant weather for today again. 55 degrees, sunshine. We're just after sunrise. The wind is light and also the air is dry. The Futurecast not showing anything significant nearby with the area of high pressure nearby. We'll see a light north wind for today. You'll barely notice the wind this morning. Then this afternoon, a north wind only about 5 to 10 miles an hour. So even this afternoon, you'll barely be able to notice the wind. Overnight tonight, we'll see quiet weather. Cool area of high pressure remains nearby, and that will keep our weather quiet and our mornings cool again through tomorrow. Now, your temperatures for today will be in the 50s through 9 a.m. So for about the next 2.5 hours, temperatures on the cool side, then warming quickly. 70 at noon, north wind of 5 to 10 miles an hour, and upper 60s or upper 70s rather at 5. We will be warmer this afternoon than we were yesterday. The 7-day forecast, not seeing any huge changes in the temperatures. Next cool front will be arriving on Saturday, and that'll basically reinforce the nice weather that we're having. We'll also see a few showers and thunderstorms around for the weekend, but certainly not a washout.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, George.